why Steller chose this particular product. It's because of the amount of articulation that the architect had put into the design. They needed something that was going to be fairly simple for them to install. They basically just had two trades on site to get this finish on this product. They had the carpenter crews and they had a painter. The fact that they didn't have to bring any renderers onto site or any wet trade helped them speed up the construction process, keeping in mind that they had a 9-month build time.
I don't have my deliveries on time, then obviously I've got a heap of guys standing around scratching looking for stuff to do, so we key everything into effective timelines.
It's imperative that these guys have the material on site the same day because they've got to keep the job going. Look, I can probably guarantee there's no other timber suppliers in Victoria that can actually deliver what they need on the same day.
So with this particular product, it gave them that ability to get the product on quickly. We had a big open courtyard area where we set up multiple cutting stations for the carpenter crews. Nice and simply get it straight onto the wall and then punch it out really simply. Painter comes in, it's got high durability because of 8.5mm fibre cement product. So they're going to get good paint adhesion being onto FC as opposed to other products, and good impact resistance, particularly for these high trafficable zones.
You go there 1 week, level 1 was going up. Go next week, level 2 is going up. So the cutting station, the process worked really well because the actual job went up a lot quicker than what I've seen in the past.
We've gone with this Easylap product because it has a vertical shiplap, so it gets fixed direct to frame, bead of polyurethane sealant, the neck sheet comes over the top and fixes off, and we just get this nice subtle vertical express joint. Real keen consideration for Steller Concepts is how do they get a product that they don't necessarily have to change multiple products to get a really exciting look on their project. There's a lot of detailing going internal, external corners. By using the Easylap, they're able to mix it up. They've got really bright reds on this one, just transitioning straight into the same product on this side, but giving it a completely new look.
With Phil, we actually had a look at it before we actually started the project, and they showed us on a small system how it sort of all goes up, and that's when they made the choice from the office and we went with it. No downtime. Whenever we needed it, we got it out here. So there's, it was pretty good, the speed on the cladding. We've done this thing probably in about a month and a half. We've wrapped up most of the building.
Clad the whole project in about a month and a half. That's absolutely amazing.
Communication, as you know, is #1 key for us. If we don't know where we're headed, the guys are expecting materials to show up tomorrow, and they're 2-3 days down the track that everything snowballs.
For us to actually give branches orders close to this job site, it's very important to get that work out on time and in full for these guys behind us at the same time.